Hello students, let's continue the lesson A Tribute to Netaji. While launching the war, Netaji went on air on July 6, 1944 and sought Gandhiji's blessing in the following words. Father of our nation, in this holy war of India's liberation, we ask for your blessings and good wishes. So, I already told in the previous video, he gathered people, for the freedom fight in the name of Indian National Army. So, he want the blessings from Gandhiji. So for that, in the radio itself, he was asking Gandhiji's blessings. So, these were the words used by Netaji to ask for blessing from Gandhiji. In INA, the INA fought so well that it soon liberated about 3,200 square kilometers of Indian territory from the well-entrenched British Army. But it was soon beset by various difficulties such as lack of communication and food, vigorous of the monsoon and breakdown in supplies. On the other hand, the Japanese forces were withdrawn as the war went badly for them. So, I'll explain till here. So, after that freedom fight, the INA, that is Indian National Army, can liberate means bring freedom. Liberated means they brought freedom for about 3,200 square kilometer of Indian territory from the British. Entrenched means very secured. The place was very secured by British Army, but in spite of that, they brought under the INA control. But they soon had beset means problem. So problems such as lack of communication and food and the monsoon, that means the rain also was very badly affecting, and because of that they don't have the proper supplies, that is food or anything. And after that the Japanese also withdraw from the world war. Why? Because they were not able to fight. They were defeated in the world war, so they withdraw. But the INA refused to retreat, with the result that thousands of soldiers were captured by the British forces. They were disarmed and court-martialed. Jawaharlal Nehru himself organized and conducted their defense. Ultimately, the government released them. So, what happened after the Japanese retreat, that is withdrawing from the war also, the INA army did not retreat, that is give back. So, they did not leave the war, so they were constantly fighting, and because of that, thousands of soldiers were arrested by the British forces. So, they were under the court-martial means trial. Under the court trial they were. So, it was Jawaharlal Nehru who was in the defense of those soldiers. Defense means who in support. So, because of that, they were released after that. Netaji boarded a Japanese aircraft for Tokyo on August 18, 1945. The plane landed in Formosa at noon, and according to the Japanese sources, it caught fire while taking off. Netaji was badly burnt but managed to come out of the plane. He was rushed to a hospital where he died the same night. So it is said that he once boarded means he want to travel in a aircraft. So he got into that. So boarded means he got into the flight, and after that during the takeoff the flight caught fire. So because of that, Netaji was having burnt wound and all, and on the same night he died in the hospital. It is amazing how much Subhash Chandra Bose was able to achieve and accomplish in his life of 48 years. He was a brilliant student and could have easily attained a high position of power as an ICS officer, but he preferred a life of trials and tribulations as a fighter for his country's freedom. His proud and independent spirit mocked at ill health and ill fortune. He was a doer as well as a thinker, and a fighter who never submitted to defeat. In life, he was a natural leader of men who inspired immense devotion and loyalty. In death, he became a legend. People refuse to believe that Netaji is dead. Perhaps they are right, for martyrs never die. So it is said that he died during the plane crash, and at that time he was 48 years. So this last para says that in that 48 years, how much he have succeeded. Okay, he was the main person to bring forward the freedom fight, and from young age he was so brilliant, and he was good in studies. If he didn't choose for a freedom fight, he would have been an ICS officer, the two in high position. Okay, but he chose the freedom fight. So because of that, he was under the court trials and in the jail. Because of that, he got ill health. He was not so healthy because of the jail conditions, and because of that itself, he was not so fortunate. Fortunate means lucky. Okay, so because he choose the freedom fight, so all his sufferings was because for the freedom. Okay, he is doer. Okay, doer means a person who do. He thinks as well as he do, and he fight for the nation. Okay, so he was a legend, and and people did not believe that he was dead, because he was still living within us. Okay, so people used to love him as they love Gandhiji. So though he is dead, he lives in our heart. Okay, so there ends the lesson. So please go through the lesson, and you can learn the new words. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you, children.